Hello all. Today we'll be making crispy onion rings. I've taken white onions here. We'll first peel the onions and cut them into quarter-inch wide rings. Now let's separate the rings. I've taken 1 cup of buttermilk here. I'll be soaking all the onions in it and refrigerate them for about half an hour. Soaking in buttermilk gives a nice flavor to the onion rings, and chilling them in the fridge helps it to hold the batter. Our onions have been in the fridge for a good half an hour. I have taken plain flour here. We'll coat the onion rings in the plain flour to make them dry. Now let's prepare the batter. I have taken 3/4 cup of plain flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can always use garlic paste instead of garlic powder. 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Now just mix it well. Now I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to it. Mix it very well, and then after that we'll be adding in water little by little. The consistency of the batter should not be thick or too thin. I've added almost 3/4 cup of water. I have heated up oil in a pan, and when it's hot, I have reduced the flame to medium. Now take each rings one by one, dip it in the batter and get it fried. Make sure not to fry too many rings at a time. If you do that, they will stick onto each other. Make sure to turn the onion rings every now and then. Our onion rings are brown now and it is ready to be taken out from the oil. We'll get all the onion rings fried in the same way. Our nice and crispy onion rings are ready to be served. Do give it a try and let me know your valuable comments. Until we meet again with a new recipe, bye.